Don't do that this Thanksgiving. I'm gonna give you something a whole lot easier. We are just going to make my baked turkey wings, okay? They are so tender, fall off the bone, flavorful, and you won't be missing the whole turkey this time, I guarantee it. Let's start with our seasoning, booze. We're adding garlic, pepper, Cajun spice, salt, onion powder, and some poultry seasoning. Remember, if you ain't sneezing, it ain't seasoned. Don't be shy either. Hit both sides of the wing. Think heavy-handed or big mama elbow, okay? Because we want flavor in every single bite. Pop them in the fridge and let them sit while you get the rest together. Now we're gonna slice up some bell pepper, chop some onion, and hit it with a little fresh garlic in your baking dish. Mix your chicken stock and a little Worcestershire sauce together, and then we're gonna pour it over the veggies and give it a quick toss. Lay them wings down on top, cover it up with foil, and we're gonna bake them at about 350 for at least 2 hours, okay? Because we want them to be falling off the bone good. If you need more time, you will know. If that meat is still tough, keep on baking. Now, take a little juice from the pan, mix in some cornstarch to thicken it, and we're gonna pour that right back over the wings and let that bake for about 15 or 20 more minutes because we really wanna create like a nice thick gravy. Booze. Ain't nobody's turkey wings touching these, okay? And if you really wanna show out, serve these over rice and thank me later.
Okay, let's see. When you eat these turkey wings, the person across from you ain't disgusted. It ain't right.
It ain't right.
You see that right there? That's tender turkey right there. Yum, yum, yimmity, yum, yum. Okay. Y'all better go ahead and make these.